Hello students, in this video I will be discussing the solution of question paper of class 10 Cbse which has been conducted on 12th March 2020. I am going to discuss set 1 of mathematics standard in this particular video. I will be first discussing the MCQs, that is question number 1 to 10 in this video. To students who have appeared in Cbse exam 2020 in standard maths with set 1 should see this video completely and see that how many questions of MCQ, that is question number 1 to 10, they have done correctly. As far as the analysis part of this question paper goes, the candidates with whom I met or they have reported me have reported by and large this question paper as a simple paper. They have said that the paper is NCERT based, the questions are NCERT questions or the questions related with NCERT book. No matter, in some questions some digits are here and there, but most of the questions are NCERT based. Students have not found any difficulty in solving this question paper and have rated this question paper as a simple one. Now, since inquisitiveness is there among many of the students, so let us start the solution of the question paper. First question is, on dividing a polynomial px by x square minus 4, quotient and remainder are found to be x and 3 respectively. The polynomial px is, and these are the 4 options given to us. See, we know from division algorithm that dividend is equal to quotient into divisor plus remainder. This we know from division algorithm. So here dividend is px. So px is equal to quotient. We have been given quotient as x. So x into divisor. Divisor is x square minus 4 plus remainder, and remainder is 3. Simplify this. So this gives us x cube minus 4x plus 3. And hence our option B here is the correct option. The correct answer is x cube minus 4x plus 3. A simple question. Now move to the second problem. Question number 2. In figure ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angled at C. Therefore, and these are the 4 options given to us. We have been given a triangle here. This angle C is 90 degree. Two sides of the triangle AC and BC are equal sides because the triangle is isosceles triangle. Now, by Pythagoras theorem, we can write in right angle triangle that hypotenuse square is equal to the sum of the squares of other two sides. So AB square, which is hypotenuse, this is equal to AC square plus BC square. Now AC and BC are equal because the triangle is isosceles. So BC square, I can write AC square, and AC square makes it 2AC square. So this becomes 2AC square because BC is equal to AC. And hence we find that option A is the correct option. Next question is, the point on x-axis which is equidistant from minus 4, 0 and 10, 0 is. 4 options are given to us. See, the point is there on x-axis, means its y coordinate should be 0. We find that in every option y coordinate is 0. So any of the options can be there as answer. Now let us say that the required point has coordinate x comma 0. So its distance from this point and its distance from second point should be equal. Apply distance formula. So under root of x minus minus 4, so it will be x plus 4 square plus 0 minus 0, that is 0 square, that should be equal to under root x minus 10 whole square plus 0 minus 0, that is 0 square. We have applied the distance formula and equated both the distance. Now simplify this. Square root is there both the sides. So if I square the equation, under root sign will be removed. So x plus 4 will be equal to x minus 10. Of course plus minus will be there. Now if I take the positive sign, x is removed from the equation. So I cannot take the positive sign here. I should take minus sign. So this implies x plus 4 equal to minus x. I am taking minus, so it will become plus. This will be the equation. Simplify this. 2x is equal to 10 minus 4, that is 6, which gives me x is equal to 6 by 2, that is equal to 3. So the coordinate will be 3, 0, and hence option D is the correct option. Now if we do not want to apply this distance formula, this we can see by observation also, the answer we can find. See, the points are, these are the coordinates. So minus 4 means 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 4, 0 will be this point. 10, 0 means this is our origin 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. This will be 10, 0. Now a point on x-axis which is equidistant from both the points. Now if I take this 3, 0 which is here, its distance from this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 units. 7 units on this left hand side, and from its distance from this point is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 units on the right hand side. Means 3, 0 is that point which is equidistant from the given points, and hence we can find the answer by drawing those points on the graph paper also, and our option here D is the correct option. Now we will see the question which is given as OR. See, the question is the center of a circle whose endpoints of a diameter are minus 6, 3 and 6, 4 is. We have been given that there is a circle and the endpoints of a diameter are minus 6, 3. Let us say this point is A and this point is B, the coordinates of which are 6, 4. Here is the circle center. Let us say its coordinates are x, y. We know that center is the midpoint. Center is the midpoint. So we can apply the midpoint theorem here, and midpoint theorem says that x will be equal to sum of the x coordinates of both the coordinates upon 2, means minus 6 plus 6 upon 2, and y will be equal to 3 plus 4 upon 2, sum of the y coordinates upon 2. So it will be 3 plus 4 upon 2, which gives us 0, and this will be equal to 7 upon 2. This will be the coordinates of the center. So here our option C is the correct option. Question number 4. The value of k for which the quadratic equation 2x square plus kx plus 2 equal to 0 has equal roots is. 4 options are given to us. See, the quadratic equation is 2x square plus kx plus 2 equal to 0. We know that if the equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, the condition for equal roots is that b square should be equal to 4ac. This is the condition for equal roots. So applying this rule, we find that here a is 2, b is k and c is 2. So here k square will be equal to 4 times 2 into 2. We have put the values of a, b and c in the given equation. So this gives us k square equal to 16, which gives us k is equal to plus minus 4. We are taking under root, so plus minus will appear. So here option B is the correct option. Question is, which of the following is not an AP? 4 options are given. We have to check one by one. First progression is minus 1.2, 0.8, 2.8 and so on. We have to check the common difference. Common difference means from the preceding term I am to subtract the term which is given previous. So 0.8 minus 1.2. This gives me 0.8 plus 1.2, which means equal to 2. Now 2.8 minus 0.8 is also 2. So this is an AP. So this cannot be the answer. This is our AP. We have to find which is not AP. So this is not the correct answer. Now see the second progression. Here 3 plus under root 2 is their second term and first term is root 3. 3 means this minus 3 will be the common difference. 3 and 3 are cancelled. This gives us root 2. Here third term is 3 plus 2 root 2. I am to subtract the previous term which is 3 plus root 2. So it will be minus 3 minus root 2. 3 and 3 are cancelled. 2 root 2 minus root 2 gives me root 2. Similarly, it is 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 minus 2 root 2 will give me root 2. Common difference is same, that is root 2, and hence this is an AP. It is not the correct answer. Now comes to the third progression. It is 4 by 3 and I am to subtract it from 7 by 3. So 7 by 3 minus 4 by 3. This gives me 3 by 3, which is equal to 1. Again 9 by 3 minus 7 by 3. 9 by 3 minus 7 by 3, that gives me 2 by 3. Both are not same. That is, the common difference is not equal and hence it is not an AP. So this is our correct option. The third option is not an arithmetic progression because here we find that the common difference we are obtaining is not equal. Need not go for fourth option, but even if we go, then minus 2 by 5 minus 1 by 5, so it will be plus 1 by 5, that gives me minus 1 upon 5, and again minus 3 by 5 plus 2 by 5 gives us minus 1 upon 5, which both are same, and this is also an AP. So here the progression which have been given, the sequences which we have been given, we find that option C is correct. That is not an arithmetic progression. Question is, the pair of linear equations 3x upon 2 plus 5y upon 3 equal to 7 and 9x plus 7y equal to 14 is. Options are consistent. B option is inconsistent. C is consistent with one solution. D is consistent with many solutions. Means we are to find A1 upon A2, B1 upon B2 and C1 upon C2, and then we will find whether the equations are consistent or inconsistent. So first we will simplify this equation. LCM is 6. We can write it 3 into 3 means 9x plus 5 into 2 means 10y. this is equal to 7, which gives us 9x plus 10y equal to 7 into 6 is 42. This is our first equation. Second equation is 9x plus 10y equal to 40. This is our second equation. Now this equation is to be compared with a1x plus b1y equal to c1. This equation is to be considered as a2x plus b2y equal to c2. So a1 upon a2 will be equal to 9 upon 9, that is 1. b1 upon b2 we find 10 upon 10, which is equal to 1, and c1 upon c2 we find 42 upon 14, that is 3. So we can say that here the condition is that a1 upon a2 equal to b1 upon b2 is not equal to c1 upon c2. This is the condition, and which is the case of equations to be inconsistent. So here the correct option is B. The given equations, the given pair of linear equations are inconsistent equations. The question is, in figure PQ is tangent to the circle with center at O. Angle AOB is equal to 100 degree, then angle ABP is equal to. The figure is given like this, and these are the four options given to us. Now let us first understand the given figure. O is the center of the circle. This angle AOB we have been given 100 degree. Now PQ is tangent. Now we know that OB is the radius and OA is also radius. So in triangle OAB, two sides are equal. This side and this side, both the sides are radius of the triangle, which are equal. So the triangle is isosceles triangle. Means this angle, that is OAB, and this angle, that is OBA, both are equal. Let us say this angle is x. So this angle will also be equal to x. Means in triangle OAB, we can say that 2x plus 100 degree, 2x plus 100 degree should be equal to 180 degree. Sum of the inner angles of the triangle should be equal to 180 degree. So this gives us 2x is equal to 80 degree, which gives us x equal to 40 degree. Now OB is having 90 degree angle with this PQ, because PQ is tangent and we know that B is the point of contact. At point of contact, the radius is the perpendicular to the tangent. So this angle is 90 degree. So this angle, which is the required angle, that is ABP, will be equal to, this angle is required. So this angle will be equal to 90 degree minus x. So angle ABP will be equal to 90 degree minus x, that is 40 degree. So this will be equal to 50 degree, and hence here our option A will be the correct option. Next question is, the radius of a sphere in centimeter whose volume is 12 pi centimeter cube is. Four options are given. See, we know that if R is the radius of the sphere, then volume of the sphere is given by 4 by 3 pi r cube, and this is equal to 12 pi centimeter cube as per the given question. So we are to find the value of r from this equation. Pi and pi are cancelled. 4 cancels this 3 times. So this gives us r cube equal to 3 into 3, that is 9, which I can write 3 square. Now if I take cube root both the sides, this gives me r equal to 3 to the power 2 by 3. And hence here option C is the correct. The radius in centimeter cube of the sphere is 3 raised to the power 2 by 3 centimeter. Question is, the distance between the points m, minus n and minus m, n is. 4 options are given to us. We know that if the coordinates of 2 points are x1, y1 and x2, y2, then the distance b between them is given by under root x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. We can also write it x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. Both the ways it is right. So here x1, y1 are m minus n and x2, y2 are minus m, n. So applying this formula here, we find that the distance is, required distance will be equal to under root m minus m. So it will be m plus m whole square plus minus n minus n whole square. This gives us under root 2m whole square plus minus 2n whole square. This gives me 4m square. So it will be under root 4m square, and this also gives me 4 because minus square will become plus. So it will be 4n square. 4 can be taken common. This will be m square plus n square, and under root 4 we know is 2. So this will be equal to 2 under root m square plus n square. So here the option C is the correct option. Question is, in figure, from an external point P, two tangents PQ and PR are drawn to a circle of radius 4 cm with center O. Angle QPR is equal to 90 degree. Then length of PQ is, 4 options are like this. Now see the figure. P is the external point, O is the center of the circle, the radius of which is 4 cm. Two tangents are there, PQ and PR. Now we have been given that angle QPR is equal to 90 degree. Now O is the center, I join O with R. Now we know that these two triangles, that is OQP and ORP, are congruent triangles. The reason is that OP is the common side. Both have two angles as 90 degree because PQ and PR are tangents, and two sides are same, that is OQ and OR are same because both are radius of the circle. So triangle OQP is congruent to triangle ORP. Now we have been given that this angle is 90 degree, means half the angles will also be equal. That is, this angle will be of 45 degree and this angle will also be of 45 degree. Now if I take triangle OQP, this angle is 45 degree, this angle is 90 degree because OQ is perpendicular on PQ, PQ is tangent and OQ is the radius, radius is perpendicular to the tangent, so at the point of contact. So this angle is 90 degree, this angle I have found as 45 degree, so this angle will also be equal to 45 degree. That is QOP is 45 degree. Now a triangle which is right angle triangle, two angles are same which are of 45 degree, means OQP is isosceles triangle. So triangle OQP is an isosceles right angled triangle, which is right angled at point Q. Now this side will be equal to this side, because in isosceles triangle two opposite angles are equal, so two sides will be, opposite sides will also be equal. So OQ will be equal to PQ. OQ will be equal to PQ, and hence since we have been given OQ as 4 centimeter, PQ is also equal to 4 centimeter. Therefore PQ is equal to OQ, and OQ is 4 centimeter. So PQ will also be of 4 centimeter. So here option B is the correct option.